Tired of your email marketing feeling like shouting into the void? Let's bridge the gap and turn your CRM data into targeted campaigns by integrating Zoho CRM with Zoho Campaigns. First, log into your Zoho Campaigns account. Make sure you have administrator privileges to perform this integration. Next, navigate to the Settings menu. This is usually found in the top right corner of your screen. Look for an icon resembling a gear or cog. Within the Settings menu, locate and click on Integrations. This will take you to a page displaying various integration options. Find Zoho CRM in the list of available integrations and click the Connect or Configure button next to it. You'll likely be prompted to authorize the connection between the two Zoho applications. This involves logging into your Zoho CRM account and granting the necessary permissions. Read the permission requests carefully before accepting. Now, you'll need to configure the data synchronization settings. Choose the CRM modules like contacts and leads you want to sync with Zoho Campaigns. You can also specify the sync frequency, such as daily or real-time. Next, map the fields between Zoho CRM and Zoho Campaigns. This ensures that the data from your CRM fields, like first name and email address, correctly populate the corresponding fields in your email campaigns. Once you've configured the settings, click Save or Activate to finalize the integration. Your Zoho CRM data will now start syncing with Zoho Campaigns. Congratulations! You've successfully integrated Zoho CRM with Zoho Campaigns. Now you can leverage your CRM data to create highly targeted and personalized email campaigns, boosting engagement and improving your marketing results.